So Quora now has a new way for smart content creators to make money, and you stand a chance to win a prize pool of $3,000, and it's called Quora Knowledge Quest. Now if I'm pronouncing Quora wrong, I'm sorry, I'm Nigerian, that's just my accent, okay? Now initially Quora created an avenue for content creators to earn some AdSense money through Space. And if you don't know what Space is, like a Reddit, like a subreddit, and it's like a group, and within a space you can talk about you can post about similar topics, and you get paid based on your number of views and subscribers in your space. Now that's just a summary of what this is all about. Ignore that background noise. Sorry. So basically within that space you post content within a chosen niche. If you're in the YouTube space and you want to talk about YouTube, the space would be titled YouTube, and whoever is coming there is coming to gain knowledge about YouTube. If it's lifestyle, whatever it is, so that you create the space, you put a title, you post content relating to that space, and you make money based on your number of views and subscribers. That's just the summary of it. But Quora has discontinued it, and the reason for this, according to Quora, is that the program favored more quantity than quality. So people that were posting more were making more money, even though their content was not really, the best creators were not making money from the program, as opposed to people that just posted frequently, like posted too much of nothing, basically. And this was not the goal of the program, so they had to discontinue it, and now they've created a new program which is called the Quora Knowledge Contest. And how do they do this? So they get experts within a field of study, and that expert creates a series of questions within their field, and you get to post your answers. So basically your post to the answers is your entry to the contest, and the best answers will be rewarded with a cash prize and a recognition badge. Now how are your answers judged? They are judged based on quality of analysis, originality, clarity, and relevance. The first winner got $1,000, the second got $200, and the third got $50. Now this is a prize pool of $3,000, so you can actually earn more, but this is just the first one and it's still in the developing phase, so many changes would be made, and even the amounts would increase possibly. So if you're a writer, a smart cookie, if you're an expert within a field, this could be something you want to get into, okay? According to a post I saw there, to increase your chances of winning, you have to post your full name on your profile, a clear profile photo, include informative credentials about your answers, and in your profile highlight your knowledge and level of expertise, whether it's self-taught, academic, or otherwise. Now the list of countries eligible for this contest is on the screen, but unfortunately countries in Africa that need this the most are not eligible to enter for now, but we don't know about the future. I'll give you updates on that when that changes, but for now countries in Africa are not eligible for it. Unfortunately, that's such a shame because I feel like they need it the most. There are so many smart cookies there that will do a lot with the $1,000, but maybe I'm just being biased. Now the winners are announced via email and on Quora, so if you're interested in this, the link to the space will be in my description box, and make sure you fulfill all the requirements, the terms and conditions, and all the things that I have told you. Remember the criteria the answers are judged on, and also remember to make your profile up to date, like up to the requirements, with your clear photos, your profile, your level of knowledge and expertise and all that. And share this video to any smart cookie anybody that has so much brains and can write and is just very analytical. Send this to them. You'll probably need this. Don't say I did nothing for you, okay? And now if you're new here, I post about AI, tech, and content creation, so if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe. I also have a second channel called Shokwe, and there I post all my shenanigans, vlogs, and basically my life in the country of the Netherlands as a foreigner. So if you're interested, go subscribe to that. The link will be in the description box as well, and the name is Shokwe. You can just search Shokwe on YouTube and you'll find it. And till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okoli. Bye. Mwah.